I have this PS5 here, and it's loading fine, but I'm not hearing the beeps from the Blu-ray, and it's not accepting any discs. We have a problem here. Let's take it apart and inspect. Oh, and look at that, it's already been opened up before. Flex cable's kind of scuffed, but not so bad. So before we open up this disk drive, let's reseat it and see what happens. Okay, now that we've reseated it, we're hearing the beeps. So it is communicating, awesome. However, it's still not accepting that there seems to be a disk stuck inside. Let's open this thing up and see what happens. Took it apart here, and I completely despise the design of this thing. I have to take this board out just to remove this cable. There we have it. I think there's something mechanically wrong here. I don't see anything wrong mechanically here, but some of the flex cables are a little bit out of whack, so maybe let's replace them. I got the new flex in. See, the cable isn't the only thing that's broken. I tested it and it still doesn't work. To eliminate a faulty board, I'm gonna try this one. I played around with it here, and this cable, the brand new one, doesn't work. Under the microscope here, it seems like it was making contact, but it wasn't. Put the original board in test. All right, so let's test here. And boom, it takes it, nice. Now, I'm trying to eject it, right? And of course, it has another problem. The spindle magnet is stuck right here. I've seen this before on a PS5. Alright, let's test it here. Put the cover off, it takes the disc in. And all I did is I played around with the metal here. I bent it up a little bit. That's how flimsy these things are. And look at that, it works.